There's so much that a school can gain from involving a more diverse and encompassing dialogue about our history, about the peoples who are here and who have remained here and have persevered. I'm working currently with some student teachers that are working in this particular curriculum, and they are so motivated, they're excited. They couldn't believe some of the resources that were available to them through the website and through multiple other areas, and thinking about how they can introduce this to the elementary age using skits, using art, using Lewis and Clark bingo, so that they can learn the different things that Lewis and Clark discovered along the trail under the guided mentoring of Sakakawea. We have this story that's being told from Lewis and Clark. However, in honoring tribal legacies, it's told from Sakakawea's perspective. Well, the framework of honoring tribal legacies is based on a place-based, multi-literacies type of instruction. And so when we bring about this type of a curriculum, we're involving kids not just in visually reading something or visually seeing something, but we actually want them to engage in conversations with each other. We want them to physically search for something, to seek about the living environments of the peoples that we're talking about, those tribes. And so it's a much richer experience than simply reading a chapter in a textbook about this particular historical event. We hope that they will, the students and faculty involved will help the students move past the traditional story into the more equitable story, which is from both sides of that particular motion across the Northwest. And thinking about that framework, we look at the plants, we look at the stars, we look at dances, we look at foods, we look at medicines, we look at everything that happened. Not so much just the fact that a group of people started in St. Louis and ended up at the mouth of the Columbia. So this type of curriculum is very deeply engaging and involves so much more than just the typical textbook, worksheet, video kind of thing.